बनजा दास।
बनजा
बनजा यस सर।
ओडिया प्लान हो कि
ना सर ओडिया
कोठी घर
सर माने एबे सर एबे भुवनेश्वर रोजी
भुवनेश्वर बाहर थिला बळे मते लागु उत्तर प्रदेश साइड रो किबा कोन ये
सर एक्चुअली मु केंद्र विद्यालय ठु पढी छी तो मोर ओडिया नथला।
अच्छा
से तो पै सर
रोल नंबर बनजा दास
यस सर। सर माय रोल नंबर इज 302700।
Please give a brief introduction.
Sir, I am a domicile of Khorda district and I completed my masters in sociology from IGNOU in in the end of 2018, and prior to that I did my graduation in psychology from Daulat Ram College of Delhi University in 2013, and after from 2019 I have been preparing for competitive exam, and my optionals are sociology and geography, and my hobby is indoor gardening.
IGNOU
Yes sir, IGNOU
का फुल फॉर्म कौन
sir, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Yes sir.
बनजा
Yes sir, बनजा
माने को
सर बने इति जाता माने सर जे बनर जन्म हेची
जे बनरे जन्म
जात हेची माने ओरिजिन जार माने फॉरेस्ट
माने हाथी बनरे हाथी जन्म होची कोन ता बनजा कहबा
ना सर
महिला बनरे जे जात होची ताको बनजा
yes sir, but maybe the spirit of the forest is
species of the forest, right?
yes sir, yes ma'am, sorry.
बन माने जल
Okay sir.
बन माने जल ओडिया रे ओडिया ओडिया जियो तो
Yes, sir.
बन माने जल जल रो जे जात कोन जात होची जल रो
पद्म
पद्म
ओहो
बन रो जे जात से होची बन जा बन ज कहले छडा पुनली
बनज।
नहीं जो बन जा माने स्त्री माने बन जा होची
बनर बहुत अर्थ अछि जोटा तुमको ना दिया कि सेही ना पद्म
पद्म किनर ना को गणन करूछ
अच्छा
आ बन माने बन रो जात सेटा हो
अच्छा सर मते
बन
जानो
जात कोटा जात बन रो मते कोटा जात होची पानी को पद्म फूल जात होची
आपना पद्मजनी हो
हां पद्म
पद्म
एवढे आउरी पद्म
बारी जा भी हो बारी जा बहुत प्रकार अछि
हां पंकज
पंकजा पंकज पंकजिनी पंकजिनी हो पंकजा पंकजिनी हो ठीक अछि सर आपको समझे को कोई
See, the always approach me urban based.
yes sir. Sir, but sir, my birthplace is Rampur village. I was born there in my village.
रामपुर को रामपुर
Sir, Bhadrak Chandbali
भद्रक
Bhadrak.
भद्रक
I stayed there for 6 months. After that, I came to Baleswar.
Chandbali.
Yes sir, my father was posted in Baleswar. I
कौन
came.
करछली
Sir, Bapa thile sir, Central Excise and Customs.
सेंट्रल एक्साइज
Yes sir.
चांदवाली रे कोन अछि
Sir, mo Rampur ro sir mo गाँ अछि.
चांदवाली रे कोन कोई विख्यात
सर चांदवाली सर सेठी सर पाखरे सर धामरा अच्छी सर पोर्ट अच्छी धामरा पोर्ट आउ सर सर मीठा गोटे फेमस अच्छी आ मु जानी सर सर आखंड ना ना आखंडणमणि बेसी जाइनी एते से गाँव सॉरी सर
धावरा में सर के ये कोन के धावरा और ये
सर धामरा रे सर मैनग्रोव्स कल्टीवेशन अच्छी आउ सर इट इज अ पोर्ट देयर इज आल्सो इनलैंड फिशरीज बीइंग डन देयर and also the crocodile sir Bhitarkanika is also nearby, the crocodile fishery is also there.
ठीक है सारा
oh sorry sir yes sir. सर आपण कहले अर्बन एरिया रो सर म आसी छी हां हां
There are some urban local bodies
yes sir
in the country.
yes sir
So, Baleswar is also urban body.
yes sir
Bhadragi junction urban body.
Yes, sir.
There are 3 types of urban local bodies in our country. Can you name them?
Sir, sir, first is Jilla Parishad. No, sir, it is rural. Sir, municipal corporation is there. Bhubaneswar is a municipal corporation. It has a population. Those town which has a population of more than 2 lakhs, they are called. They come under urban areas. They come under corporation, and then there is a municipal council. And I think the third one would be notified area committee.
Notified area council is a transitional area.
Okay, yes.
Municipal area is distinctly urban.
Okay, sir.
Municipal corporation is still more urban. So, as a OS officer,
Yes, sir.
you will be posted to municipality
Okay, sir.
or in a municipal corporation.
Okay, sir.
So, who will be your executive authority and what will be your position in a municipality?
Sir, my executive authority.
In a municipal council,
Okay.
chairperson or chairman
Yes, sir.
is the executive authority.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chairman.
You will be working there as an executive
Executive officer.
or if you are posted to a municipal corporation,
Okay.
you will be designated as commissioner, municipal commissioner.
Commissioner.
But you will be working under the executive authority with the chairperson.
Chairman. Okay, sir.
So what are the basic functions of a municipal council?
Sir, the basic function would be water, sir, which are basic functions of the urban areas like water supply, sanitation, proper sanitation, and provision of drinking water supply also, solid waste management, electricity supply, and also managing the public utilities like buses, the public toilets, and there could be mandaps which can be kept utilized, and yes, sir, these are the
So
things.
how will you get fund to do so many works?
Sir, funding. Sir, first of all, there would be funding for the from the central government funding would be there for the municipal corporation, and they can also collect taxes from the vending, many areas like vending zone, or providing the houses, and also cleaning
They can also collect taxes from owner of the homestead land.
Yes,
This is
sir.
called holding tax.
yes, holding tax.
You may be knowing holding tax is the another source of income
Okay, sir.
of municipal council.
Holding tax. Okay.
The hobby road mention करते indoor gardening.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा एक्टिविटी ଟିକେ explain करो हमको.
सर इंडोर गार्डनिंग माने सर जो माने इंडोर सर सनलाइट बहुत कम थाए, तो सेठी आमे लो लाइट प्लांट गुड़ा को लगे दे पारिबा सर. ताठू सर इंडोर पॉल्यूशन भी आमर कमी जाए. आउ एटा सर नासार भी गोटे प्रूवन स्टडी अच्छी 2009 रखी, जदि आमे पर स्क्वायर फीट पर 100 स्क्वायर फीट आमे जदि गोटे गछ इंडोर गछ सर सेटा स्पेसिफिक गछ थाए गछ लगेने सर माने इंडोर पॉल्यूशन बहुत बेसी कमी जाए. सर इंडोर पॉल्यूशन बहुत एरिया ठू हो पार जोड़ा सर पेंट ठू किंबा आमे जोटा गाधेया पे सर शैम्पू यूज करछ, डिश माने वॉशिंग पाउडर जोटा यूज करछ, किंबा डस्ट जोटा सर ऑटो व्हीकल्स ठू आसुची बाहर ठू से सब जिनस
बुनसाई कौन जान
यस सर जोटा छोट करा जाए माने ताको सर गोटे टेक्निक दे कि वायर ठू सर तार माने ता ब्रांच टाको छोट रखा जाए आ वायर बेसिकली सर सी जब छोट थिबो तार ब्रांचेस रो वायरिंग करा जिवो तो सेते पई सर सी बेसी ग्रो कर पारेनी आ गोटे छोट गच्छ भलिया लागे आउ सेटा सर बहुत दिन तक रही पारिए
मनी प्लांट गोटे अछि
यस सर
सेटा घरे लगाइले बहुत टंका पैसा हो जो बुझिनी
नो सर सर बट एस्थेटिक वैल्यू सर मोर निजर बहुत बड़ा मनी प्लांट मु रखे कहीं सर इट्स वेरी इजी टू केयर प्लांट आउ बग्स गुड़ा बेसी मिली बग किंबा बेसी इश्यू सर नाही फजी प्लांट नुह आउ बहुत बड़ा वेराइटी ऑफ मनी प्लांट्स भी अच्छी तो बहुत कलरफुल घर लगे सर
शिमिलीपाल कौन
सर शिमिलीपालटा गोटे बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व आउ सर ताहे तो वाटर माने वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी भी सेटा आउ गोटे फर्स्ट सर सेटा गोटे टाइगर रिजर्व हेतला शिमिलीपाल टाइगर रिजर्व आई थिंक सर 1962 सर तापरे ताहितर सर तीनिटा शिमिलीपाल बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व सर तीनिटा आउरी एक्सटेंशन सर इट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ मयूरभंज एलिफेंट sanctuary wildlife sanctuary it includes Hadgad wildlife sanctuary and Kuldia wildlife sanctuary sir
कुल्डिया
हाँ कुल्डिया
कुल्डिया का कोठी अछि
सर बालेश्वर है
बालेश्वर
हाँ 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 सर
कौन माने बालेश्वर रो
हाँ, सर,
बालेश्वर तो बहुत बड़ा ओ सब डिवीजन रे अछि सेटा
सर मते जाना नहीं
कुल्डिया ठीक है कुल्डिया का कोई सब डिवीजन नीलगिरी पाकर सेटा
हाँ 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 सर नीलगिरी
नीलगिरी सब डिवीजन रे अछि
ओके
6 मान 8 गुण के लिखि जति किछ आईडिया अछि
सुनी छी सर बट सर एटा आई थिंक फकीर मोहन सेनापति हाँ हाँ
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति देखो कि नहीं
ना सर
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति देखो ना अमिताभ बच्चन कर
हाँ आगे देखुथिली
सोनी
सर
टीवी रे
हाँ सर आगे देखली
पहले श्योर हमली को तो
सर मु छोटे
को 6 मान 8 गुण काणे हिथिबे फकीर मोहन सेनापति के नहीं
सर मु एबे रिसेंटली ताको पढ़िनी
कौन कौन आउ दीटा बही ना को 6 मान 8 गुण
सर मु जानी नहीं सर से मन गोटे ऑटोबायोग्राफी फकीर मोहन सेनापति निचर लेखे
बालेश्वर तो झियो कहले तुम तो बहुत प्रश्न पचारिबे बहुत अछि लिटरेरी हिस्टोरिकली माने बालेश्वर इज वेरी रिच फकीर मोहन बहुचंती माने कथाकार कथा माने सम्राट 6 मान 8 गुण लेके चंती मामू ताकर गोटे उपन्यास लक्ष्मा गोटे उपन्यास तापरे प्रायश्चित गोटे उपन्यास ताकर बहुत गल्प स्वल्प इत्यादि करिके ताकर भागवत ताकर ये अछि व्यास कवि महाभारत को भी से माने संस्कृत रो ओडिया से ट्रांसलेट करि बहुत विषय अछि ताको तो किछि जानिबो ना
हां सर जानि
और सेठी चांदीपुर गोटे अछि
यस सर
चांदी मिलुची चांदी मिलता है क्या
ना सर सर
चांदीपुर में क्या है हिंदी को बुझी तो
हाँ सर हिंदी उड़िया बुझी
चांदीपुर में क्या है बोलो
सर सेठी मिसाइल टेस्टिंग रेंज अच्छी चांदीपुर रो आउ सर से बीच रो स्पेशलिटी अच्छी कि सर जोटा तार पानी बहुत दूर
वन न्यूज़ कौन व्हाट इज द टुडेज न्यूज़ अबाउट चांदीपुर
सर आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट
न्यूज़ पर देखना नहीं
सर
देखना
सर रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट
मिसाइल टेस्टिंग होची अंडर व्हिच तार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डीआरडीओ
हां
कौन फुल फॉर्म ना कौन
सर डिफेंस रिसर्च
डिफेंस रिसर्च तापरे
डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
डीआरडीओ
यस सर
से डीआरडीओ रो आगे पेपर गुडा को देखो ना किसो पेपर गुडा देखो ना
सॉरी सर
चाइल्ड मैंने स्पाइंग करथिले से बोलो धरचती
हो स्पाइन
Tell something about your educational background, starting from your family background. Start from your family background.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, my father is from is a central government employee. He is from Central Excise Department. My mother is a homemaker, housewife, homemaker, and I am the second child of my family. My brother is 3 years older to me. And about my about my academic background, ma'am, I did my 10th from Kendra Vidyalaya Baleswar. Then I did my +2 from Bakshi Jagbandhu Vidyadhar College, Junior College in art stream. And I did my graduation in psychology from Daulat Ram College of Delhi University. And in 2013, I completed that in 2013. Then, ma'am, my father's health was very ill. He was undergoing dialysis. I decided, after my graduation, I decided to take a break and be with my family for the post transplant process and be emotionally with them. I took a break of 1.5 years. After that, I decided to join sociology and sociology in IGNOU, from IGNOU. I completed my master's, and I have also done my UGC NET JRS in sociology.
Okay. Why there was a change from psychology to sociology?
Ma'am, it happened in my, it was a transitional decision, I would say. In my second year, one of my subject was social psychology. In that, our ma'am, she suggested we do some kind of project rather than practicals. Which, in psychology, the practicals are basically labs based. In my project, I did study the new social movement, impact of new social movement on people's attitude. For that,
That's redundant.
no, ma'am. It was just a practical basically, sir, ma'am. And then in that I studied the India Against Corruption Lokpal movement that was happening under Anna Hazare, and I was quite fascinated by the social issues. Rather, I find it way more interesting than the micro level, the psychological aspect. So when I came back, I decided to give it. I decided to focus. I thought of trying to understand the social issues also. Even when I was there, I understood that I wanted to know more on the social issues, on the macro issues that our country was facing.
Relate sociology and psychology.
Sir, ma'am, sociology actually tries to understand the social institution and norms, values
That is also you need a psychological basis to understand the society.
But psychological, ma'am, in social psychology, the focus would be more on the individual rather than on the society. It would be trying to understand the impact of the social institution, be it the attitude towards women. What is the attitude? Suppose an attitude towards women, how it is affecting the girl child, or that kind, where the individual would be more in focus. Suppose the family, if the family is undergoing trauma, or if it is an abusive family, what is the impact of the children, or in general. But in sociology, the focus would be more on the family, that how the individual's role is helping to stabilize the family as an institution.
Okay. What is cultural diffusion?
So, ma'am, cultural diffusion means when a cultural aspect it gets diffused in a particular cultural aspect, which might.
Example.
Ma'am, example would be ma'am, like Diwali. For us, it was cultural diffusion like westernization. A lot of the dressing sense we have picked from the Western world. Like today we greet each other as good morning.
What is enculturation?
Ma'am, acculturation means, let me think a bit. Acculturation.
There is no time for you to think.
No,
but
ma'am,
okay,
sorry,
okay,
ma'am. Okay.
You remember it.
Okay.
That what you have adapted, you have already inherited.
Okay. Yes, it's already part of my process.
Part of
Okay.
your
Acculturation. Okay.
Okay. Do you support reservation in the society?
Yes, ma'am. I support the reservation. Reservation is a positive. It is. Can I take reservation, ma'am? I am myself. Can I say that I belong to a reserve category? Yeah, would it be okay? Okay.
It doesn't matter if you say or not, but
Okay. Okay.
tell me the fact. What I asked to tell that.
Okay. Okay.
Be
Sorry,
specific,
ma'am.
huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, reservation, it is basically brought up so that the historical discrimination or the social and the social or educational discrimination that was prevailing for when they were prevailing, they can be justified. The government, the constitution, the state actually provide positive positive feedback like a reservation so that the social status of these peoples can be uplifted. Basically, there are certain groups in our country which has been discriminated because with discriminated socially, like a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. They were not able to attain the same social status, or you can.
Do you think it's now that thing is going on, or it's changed?
Ma'am,
In the sociology, so there's a change in the society, right?
yes,
So that
yes, ma'am.
reservation should be continued, or should be stopped at a certain limit?
Ma'am, actually Supreme Court has done a survey, I think in 2010, and it's to find out the creamy layer in at least scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. It hasn't been quite, there has not been much of a changes that they at least see, but there is provision, but I think in future there would be provisions of having creamy layer as a.
Any strengths we should need you to this administrative job?
You belong to scheduled caste community.
Yes, yes, sir.
In which article of the Constitution of India elaborates
Okay.
providing facilities to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes?
Sir, 230 article. I have forgotten.
ଭାରତର କନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁସନ ସମ୍ବିଧାନରେ କିଛି ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ରହିଛି
Yes, sir.
ଯୋଉ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ କି ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ କାଷ୍ଟ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଚାକିରି ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା କୋଉ ସେକ୍ସନ କୋଉ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ରେ ଅଛି?
Sir, article 230. Sir. 30.
230 Sure. 230 ନୁହେଁ 330 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା 344 41 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
Oh, 3.
ସେଟା 335 ରେ ଅଛି
335. I'm sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
335 article that provides any citizen of India who belongs to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe community has the right to avail the opportunity of scheduled caste scheduled tribe as per the provisions the reservation provision of reservation as per the constitutional provisions of India.
Yes, sir.
এটা পচারিয়ে
हाँ सर,
তুমি
मैं
যদি
रिवाइज
কইছো
करना.
কাজ বলি পচারিয়ে
No,
এটা
sir,
তুমি
that
কোন
was not
প্রভিজন রে
clear.
তুমি পাউছো you should know that
Yes, sir. I have forgotten.
you should know that সেটা 30 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି 330 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି 341 ରେ ସରିଛି ମାନେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଫ୍ରମ ଦି ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟାରିଆନ ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
Seats reserved.
ଦେନ୍ ଆସିଲା ଏଙ୍ଗଲୋ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ତାପରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଆସେମ୍ବଲି କୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
हाँ.
ଦେନ୍ ଏଙ୍ଗଲୋ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଦେନ୍ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ କାଷ୍ଟ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ ଦେନ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଯୋଉ କମିଶନ ବସୁଛି କମିଶନ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ କାଷ୍ଟ କମିଶନ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଟ୍ରାଇବ କମିଶନ
Joint commission.
ସେଇ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି
230.
330 ରୁ 341 ତ ବେସିକାଲି 335 ଟା ହଉଛି applicable to service matters.
Service.
ओडी भारतर जिनका ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ एंथम ଅଛି
Yes, sir.
कोन सेटा
Sir, national anthem.
एंथम
जन गण मन अधिनायक जो है
भारत
भारत.
नेशनल सॉन्ग और नेशनल एंथम भितरे कोन फरक कोन
ଆଦେଶ ସମାଧି ଆସିବେ
Sir,
What is the
different.
difference between national song and national anthem?
सर मैं पर्टिकुलरली जाननी बट जानी कि अलग अलग अच्छी नेशनल एंथम जनगण मन रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर
नेशनल एंथम और नेशनल सॉन्ग भितर डिफरेंस का कोन
सर आमर जब माने फॉर एनी ऑफिशियल वर्क नेशनल एंथम टा सर गीत गाया माने
कोन सेटा ये लिखि
एंड वन सर रविंद्र सर सेटा रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर लिखिथिले
ठीक अछि जे कोन सेटा जनगण मन अधिनायक
जय
कुल संग
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब
सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे
भूल है
ओके सर
कौन भूल है
हो सर मु ठिया हेले नहीं सॉरी सर आई एम रियली सॉरी सर एटा डिस्कस
शिखिबा कथा एटा ना नेशनल एंथम नेशनल सॉन्ग ला कोन
सर वंदे
नेशनल सॉन्ग ला कोन
वंदे
सुतरां सुफलां
वंदे मातरम
वंदे मातरम
सर बंकिम चंद्र
चंद्र आनंद मठ
हां
रो येरो सेटा
हां लेखि छ
ये दीटा डिफाइन से एंथम टा आपने नेशनल प्रोग्राम रे बड़ा तो गान सेटा अचूक करो
हां मस्ट कंपलसरी
जो अछि गोटे जातीय संगीत कोन सेटा
वंदे उत्कल जननी
वंदे
उत्कल जननी
जननी जननी जननी
जननी
वंदे
उत्कल जननी
किए लिखिथिले तार लेखक किए वंदे उत्कल जननी रो लेखक किए
सॉरी सर भूली जाय छी तो भूली जाय छी
आउटे हिंट भी कांत कवि
हां हां सरल
कांत कवि
सरल
लक्ष्मीकांत महापात्र
लक्ष्मीकांत सर
गोटे गोटे प्रोवर्ब अछि गोटे वेरी फेमस प्रोवर्ब impossible is a word to be found in the dictionary of idiots के कोई तरह नेपोलियन कहते हैं नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट अच्छा तुम्हारा ज्योग्राफी तो सब्जेक्ट में
Yes, sir,
थी
yes.
व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डेमोग्राफी इन ज्योग्राफी
demographic sir for it is a way in which we categorize the population based on their age or gender and if we do demographic study sir by doing demographic study we can understand what kind of population what are the incentive a particular population would be needing and also population studies can be done how we can minimize or keep our population in an optimum level
what is the population of India now
sir around 130 crore 1.3 billion census
there are different type of surveys in geography.
Yes, sir.
Can you name the 3 important surveys?
Survey in geography.
One is playing table survey.
Playing table survey.
You have read it or not? You don't have read it. That's an important thing in geography.
I only know about the geographical information system.
No, you have taken the geography.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is my
You have
option.
taken sociology and geography.
Yes, sir.
As your special paper.
Yes, sir.
So you are supposed to speak.
sir.
Madam, sorry.
Okay, challenge. What is Sanskritization?
Ma'am?
Sanskritization.
Ma'am, Sanskritization is a process in which a group tries to tries to seek upward mobility by inculcating or trying to adapt the rituals, the lifestyles of the upper caste people. Sanskritization.
Who is the founder?
Ma'am, I mean Srinivas. He gave the concept of Sanskritization.
Okay, I already asked you, so let me tell you your feedback.
Okay.
You are fumbling a lot.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
When you don't know something, don't do it. Can I guess? Don't say that.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? And after we are answering you, you are keeping on repeating that. Don't do that.
Okay. Yes.
And another is many times you're saying sir, madam. So don't repeat that. Once is enough. Another thing is, good thing about you is you carry a smiling face. That covers your nervousness. Okay? But your subject, you need to study on that.
Lit-
And correct this also. Okay? Regarding this. All the best.
ಈ ಗೋಡ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಸ್ಟೀಲ್
Rest is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All the best.
She will be successful.
ପଢାପଢି ଭଲ କି କର ନ୍ୟୁଜ ପେପର ଥର ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା ପେପର ସବୁ ଥର ହେଇକି ସବୁ ପଢିବ ସବୁ
How do you
ଯେତେ
pass
ସବୁ
with
ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିଭ ହବ
knowledge?
ସବୁ ପଢିବ ସବୁ
Famous personalities, poets, culture, Radha Janmada, Kantapal, Lexington, Fakirmohan.
କଣ ପଢିବ କହିପାରିବନି ସେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ମାନେ ତୁମେ ଯେମିତି କା କହିଲା ଯାଇ ବିଲଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ସିଡ୍ୟୁଲ୍ କାଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଧରିବେ ଆମେ କୋଉ କରି ପଚାରିବେ କାଲି ପଚାରିବେ କୋଉ ଇ ଥର ଏବାଉଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ୍ସ ପଚାରିବେ ଖାଲି ସିଡ୍ୟୁଲ୍ କାଷ୍ଟ କହିଲା ହବନି ତୁମେ କୋଉ ରେ ପାଉଛ
ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲଟେ te ପୁରା ପୁରା ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ କହିଲି sir.
ମାନେ ତ କହିପାରିବନି
This is what I'm repeating. Just now say don't repeat.
ତୁମେ କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟଲି ଗୋଟେ କହିଲ
They କହୁଛନ୍ତି don't repeat. ଶୁଣ,
Seventy
be a good
five.
listener. Okay, listen and do. କହିଲା ପରେ ସେ ଯଦି repeat
Yes.
କରିବ, don't do it. ହେଲା?
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
ବାକି good.
ୱିଶ୍ ୟୁର ସକ୍ସେସ୍
Thank you.